In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero tracking in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, Xero's tracking feature is a fantastic tool to help you keep a closer eye on different areas of your business. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and click on the login button, then enter your email and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where the real work begins. On your dashboard, look for the accounting tab and click on it. Once you've done that, locate the advanced section. This area is filled with useful features that Xero offers. And today, we're specifically interested in tracking categories. Click on tracking categories. Now you're in the right place to start setting up your tracking categories. You'll see an option to add a new tracking category. Go ahead and click on Add Tracking Category. This is where you can define how you want to categorize certain transactions within your accounting system. When you're setting up a new category, the first thing you'll need to do is give it a name. For example, you might be tracking expenses related to different projects or departments within your organization. Type in a descriptive name that will make sense to anyone looking at these reports in the future. After entering the name for your category, you'll need to add options. These options are essentially the subcategories or specific areas you want to track under this main category. Think about what makes the most sense for your organization, whether it's by project name, department, or another characteristic relevant to your business. Once you're satisfied with your newly created tracking settings and options, don't forget to click Save. It's important to save your work so that it becomes active and available for use immediately. Now that your tracking category is set up, you can use this feature in your invoices and bills within Xero. This allows you to allocate specific transactions to different parts of your business, making it easier to analyze and report on later. By using tracking categories, you can gain enhanced insights into your business's financial performance, helping you make more informed decisions. That's it. You've now set up tracking in Xero, a powerful step in managing your finances more effectively. With this feature, you'll find it easier to analyze data specific to different areas of your business, ensuring that you have the right financial visibility at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process of using Xero's tracking feature. Make sure to explore other capabilities within Xero to continue optimizing your business's financial management.